Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Dutch oven cast iron cookware set on the market. The EDGING Casting 2-in-1 Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Dutch Oven Pot with Skillet Lid. If you're someone who loves versatile, durable, and reliable cookware, this set might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Right from the start, this Dutch oven stands out because of its innovative 2-in-1 design. It features a deep pot and a shallow skillet that doubles as a lid. This clever setup is perfect for a wide range of cooking techniques, whether you want to bake bread, roast, fry, braise, or even grill. The skillet lid adds convenience and versatility, making it easy to switch between cooking styles without needing extra pans. One of the biggest benefits of this cast iron Dutch oven is its pre-seasoned surface. The manufacturer has seasoned it with natural vegetable oil, so you don't have to deal with synthetic coatings or chemicals. This means the pot is ready to use right out of the box and will only improve with time and regular seasoning. Plus, cast iron is known for its excellent heat retention and even heat distribution, so your meals cook consistently and thoroughly every time. The handles on this Dutch oven are another thoughtful feature. You get two sturdy loop handles on both the pot and the skillet lid, which provide a secure grip for easy lifting and moving. Whether you're transferring it from stovetop to oven or from the kitchen to the dining table. This is especially helpful when you're handling hot cookware, making it safer and more manageable. When it comes to maintenance, this Dutch oven is straightforward to care for. Unlike many cookware options, it should be hand-washed in warm water, dried thoroughly on the stove to prevent rust, and lightly seasoned with natural oils to maintain its non-stick surface. This simple routine will keep your Dutch oven in top condition for years to come. The capacity of this set is 5 quarts, making it suitable for cooking meals for families or groups. Its size and weight, around 13.6 pounds, give it a substantial feel, reflecting its solid construction and durability. The pot itself measures about 13 inches wide and 6.4 inches high, providing ample space for hearty stews, soups, or baking bread. Another key advantage is its high temperature tolerance, rated up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it oven safe and ideal for a variety of cooking methods, from slow braises to high heat roasting or searing. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, camping or hosting a backyard barbecue, this cast iron Dutch oven is versatile enough to handle it all. Overall, the EDGING Casting 2-in-1 Cast Iron Dutch Oven Pot with Skillet Lid combines functionality, durability, and smart design in one package. Its pre-seasoned, natural finish, dual handle system, and multi-purpose skillet lid set it apart from many other options available. If you want cookware that can keep up with all your culinary adventures and deliver great results every time, this Dutch oven deserves a spot in your kitchen. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in cookware that's built to last and ready to tackle any recipe, check out the EDGING Casting 2-in-1 Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.